Hello everyone, Teacher Damien here from the Creative Edu Academy speaking. And in front of me today, I have the Oxford Skills World Reading with Writing Level 1. And today we're going to take a look at one of the topics inside this book that we are going to learn. So topic 1, we have in your school. Now, I want you all to look at the picture and tell me, what do you see? How many children are there in this picture? How many? We have 7 children in this picture. And where are the children, everyone? They're at the classroom. So now, I want you all to read the fun fact here. Alright, let's read it. Today is the first day of school. The children have gifts. The gifts are toys and things for school. Now, what do the children have in hand? What do they have in their hands? They have these cones. And what things do you have for school? What do you usually bring to school? Pencils, books, pencil cases? Oh well. Now let's move on to the next page. Get ready to read. Look at the pictures before you read. They show what the text is about. So now, A, what are the pictures about? Choose right or wrong. Okay, so number 1, my school. Correct, it's my school. What about this? My classroom. Is this a classroom, everyone? No, it's not. It's the living room. So, it's X. It's incorrect. Alright, number 3. What is this? Is it my house? Yes, it is a house. So, moving on to the next question. Read and listen. This is a picture. So can you see this picture? This is my classroom. It has posters, it has books. This is my notebook, and that is the cupboard. So now let's listen.
Page 8, Unit 1. Get ready to read. B. Read and listen.
This is my classroom. It has posters. It has books. This is my notebook. That is the cupboard.
Okay, now look at the picture again. What is the text about? Choose the correct answer. What do you think it might be? A. Is it about my backpack? B. My classroom? Or C. My cupboard? It's definitely B, everyone. Alright, so now moving on to the next page. Read. Where is Ben's picture? Circle it. We're going to listen to this.
Page 9. Read. Ben's picture.
Is this your picture? Yes. It's my classroom. Is this your desk? Yes, it is. I read at my desk. Do you have a backpack? Yes, I do. Is this a cupboard? No, it isn't. It's a bookcase. These are my books. What's this? It's my chair. Is this a wastebasket? Yes, it is.
Now, I want you all to find the key words in the conversation, and I want you all to write them in your picture dictionary. So, we have number 1, a desk. Number 2, bookcase. Number 3, we have chair, chair. And number 4, we have wastebasket, wastebasket, wastebasket. Now, I would like to ask all of you, what do you have in your classroom? Could it be a whiteboard? Could it be a desk? Could it be a chair or a wastebasket or many, many more? That's all for today's video. I hope to catch up with all of you soon in the next one. Feel free to tune in the next part soon. Goodbye.